my lovely foodies. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are making whole wheat chicken wrap. So let's begin. Firstly, let's see what ingredients we need. We need onion, carrot, tomato, cucumber and lettuce. Chicken nuggets cut into pieces, black pepper powder, mayonnaise and sweet chili sauce. For kneading the dough, we need whole wheat flour. Here we have taken 1 glass water and half glass milk and 1 tablespoon yogurt. Pour water and milk into the bowl. Add yogurt in it. Add little salt, some oil, and mix it all. Then add flour in it little by little. In the beginning, use only one finger for mixing, instead messing all the fingers. Once dough is formed, you can use your whole hand for kneading. It looks soft. Now cover it and keep it for resting around 30 minutes. Now we need to make wrap out of it, so let's see how to make it. Make them into small balls and roll it with a rolling pin. Just like this. Heat up the pan and cook the wrap on it. Flip it over from time to time. Wow, it's cooked now. Spread sweet chili sauce over it. Put some lettuce on it. Then carrots, some slices of tomato, some onions, cucumber, ground black pepper, pieces of chicken nuggets, mayonnaise, arrange it well. First fold both the sides, then roll it. Just like this. You can eat as it is or grill it on the griller. If you don't have a griller, you can use a pan for grilling. Just like this. Turn it and do the same thing on the other side. It is perfectly done. You do try this recipe and write us in comments. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Yummy in my tummy. I love you, Mommy.